Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys find anything helpful or useful in this video. And if you guys don't like the video, do press the dislike button because I would love to know when you guys don't like my content so I can make something better. Okay, so today I just wanted to do some analysis on silver and let's see what's happening in the precious metals world. So here I have the daily chart open for silver against US dollars. So let's just get right into it. All right, so I want to start off with something that is very obvious, and that would be right here. Okay, this is one of the recent support levels that we've been seeing these days. So this level is at $22.2, and the market has been respecting this value for one, two, three, four times, and so this is a very significant level for us right now. And I would also like to tell you about this wedge pattern. So if I take this high and connect it with like the second high and just try to like squeeze it in a little bit, you'll see that it's forming a triangle, and this is called a descending triangle. So I have this Google page opened up for you guys, so I'll just show it to you right away. So this is what a descending triangle looks like. So once it happens with an uptrend, the chances are that it might just burst out of it. Okay, so what I think might be happening right now, and obviously I'm not a financial advisor and no one in the world can be right all the time, but it's just better to have an idea of reading charts. And if you guys don't know how to read charts, what these bars are, I'll just put a card right on top right now. You guys check it out. I made a video recently on how to read charts for beginners. If you guys are interested in such type of content, please do check it out. All right, so it's looking a very good day for silver today. It has moved about, let me see, let me just delete that. Okay, silver since the day opened up has moved to about 3.22%. That's about $0.766. Okay, so that's a good thing. But what I think is going to happen is either once we hit this line, the triangle's wedge, it's going to come back down, come back to this, and consolidate even more. And if it does break out from this, hopefully in the bullish for you guys, it might come back to retest the same line of the support, and then we'll see it go to at least $26 before it comes back right here. So that's the first scenario. The second scenario would be it could drop. Okay, so we don't know what's going to happen, but obviously it won't drop because of the fundamental aspect also kicking in, and it's more because of this wedge pattern, it's more likely that we're going to see an uptrend, and it must be staying to 26. That's the next resistance level, and it will pause for there a little while and then it'll move and shoot up. These consolidation patterns are also called accumulation phases, where it's time to just grab more and more and more of silver or whatever asset classes that you're looking at, and then once it takes off, it just, it won't give you the time to buy back once it goes up from here. So hopefully we'll see something like that. And also I would like to show you guys about this parallel channel that we're making here along with this lines right here. So check it out. This level, as you can see, it has like touched multiple times, and then once it broke. So whenever you see these support or resistance lines break, it's going to be breaking with a really big bar. It's never going to be doing with like a small bar. Okay, it won't just go easily. For example, I'll just show you here. Many times you'll see that. For example, let's just pick this one right here. All right. Okay, this support level, when it was broke, it broke with a big red bar. It didn't break with these small bars. Every time you see a support and resistance break, it's gonna happen with a very big move. So whenever it's gonna break out of this wedge, it's gonna be a big move and it will be very obvious to you guys. Okay, so I made this parallel channel to uh, differentiate between this one and a rectangle. We'll put another triangle right here for the different color. All right, here you go. Okay, so these are the main levels that we must be looking at. So as soon as it breaks out of here, we're gonna be expecting it to reach to level 26 or 25.9 and then come back down to, buy more silver for you guys. And if it ever does go beyond it, this is the next level where it's gonna be staying at. That's the next resistance level. That's about at $29. And that's my take on it, guys. So I'll just show you this EMA also right here. So even the EMA is saying that we're in an uptrend. Whenever I see on YouTube, whenever it falls like a little bit, all the YouTubers are like, oh, big fall for a crash in the market, and oh, silver is so cheap. It's not. These are the normal moves. If you see how much we have moved since April or March and April, it was about 150%. So the correction has to be at least 61%. That's where the Fibonacci tool comes in. Let me show you guys about this Fibonacci tool. So this is the 100% of the move from March. And right now it only came back at 38 levels. Wait, I'll just delete this and make it more clear and remove this. So these Fibonacci lines are like in the nature, have you heard about golden ratio, the 61.8% and then 38.2% and 78.6%? These are the numbers in which our nature works as well. If you don't know about this, it's a very interesting phenomenon. I really recommend that you guys go and check it out. So yeah, so if we take this massive move, the main impulsive move, and counted all of it in one big single move, you see that it's coming back to 38.2%. That's nothing. Mostly when the traders who are doing technical analysis, they would actually wait for this to come back to the golden ratio. They would go here and they would like actually wait for the price to drop back. They would wait and they would expect it to do something like this, come right here before they would like actually buy or consider buying that asset. So considering what the other technical gurus and other people in this industry who trade via technical analysis and all, not doing any fundamentals, are actually expecting it to come down to 61.8 because it is a very good support right here. So if it does fall to this level at $18, I wouldn't be too much shocked. Okay, but if it does break this wedge, I'm shorting the market. I will expect it to go down to the 61.8 level, which is the golden ratio. All right, let me just take this line back. So if we check this area out, this is a very good support right here. It was acting as a resistance. Once it breaks, now the same area will become support. Okay, so this is 61.8. So even with the Fibonacci, even it's not always that it's going to happen to 61.8. That's why they have different levels. Even at 38.2%, which we already hit, which was at $22, and where we were seeing it for the last 2 months coming up and down to, it's a very good opportunity to buy as soon as the wedge is broken, the triangle is broken. All right, guys. I hope you learned something new and you enjoyed my analysis. I hope it wasn't too long. And let me know if you guys like to, know the insights of technical trader, technical analysis trader. I would love to, talk about more in depth on, even gold, and even if you guys want to see gold and silver ratio or platinum, whatever it is that you guys want to see, let me know and I'll make sure that I could have like a day in a week where I could just, just do analysis for you guys for some metals. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep stacking. Bye.